Alright, Module 7, Part 4. We're going to be going over just multiplying and dividing real numbers. Most of it's pretty basic, and you can use a calculator. I wonder if I can size this a little bit better. Alright, so all we have to do is multiply negative 31 and 50. You can do it by hand or with the calculator. And I'm not sure if that did that correctly, so we're going to say 31 add the negative times 50. Maybe it's not letting me add it the correct way, but I'm trying to do it with the keyboard. You can just do the negative down there and that'll add it, but it's negative 1550. Alright, so the next one we're going to multiply negative 2.8 and negative 20. What we need to notice is a negative times a negative is a positive. So one thing I would like to show is this little tic-tac-toe. If you do tic-tac-toe with pluses down the diagonal, minus everywhere else. If you're just looking at two numbers at a time, this will help you know the sign when you multiply and divide. So if you have a positive times a negative, your sign will be negative. If the negative is first times a positive, your sign will still be negative. And then a negative times a negative equals a positive. And of course down the diagonal you get positive. And with division, the same thing. Positive on top, negative on the bottom. Your answer will be negative. A negative on top and a positive on bottom, your answer will still be negative. And a negative on top of a negative, negative divided by negative, will also give you a positive. Okay, so it works with multiplication and division, any direction. And so I know that this will be a positive answer, so we can just multiply the two numbers together. So I can do 2.8 times 20, and it gives me 56.